Welcome to our discussion on the fundamentals of organizing within management. Organizing is essential for structuring tasks, roles, and resources to efficiently achieve an organization's objectives. Let's explore the key elements that make organizing a critical management function. Designing jobs is crucial for clarity and efficiency, defining specific tasks and responsibilities for each position. This ensures that everyone knows their role, contributing to a well-functioning organization where tasks are completed effectively. Grouping jobs, or departmentalization, involves organizing similar tasks into departments based on functions, products, or geography. This strategy helps streamline operations and ensures that related activities are managed cohesively within the organization. Establishing reporting and authority relationships creates a clear chain of command. It specifies who reports to whom and allocates decision-making power, enabling managers and employees to act responsibly and effectively within the organization. In conclusion, organizing is vital for operational efficiency, providing a clear structure for tasks, roles, and authority. Through job design, departmentalization, and coordination, organizations can achieve their goals and maintain harmony. Thank you for joining this exploration of organizing fundamentals.